Alright, let's try this video again. BMW. This is the AUC connector. My connector broke, so we're going to try to depin this sucker. Okay, I got high-powered radiators on here, so let's see if we can get this on. That should push through, but let's try pushing it a little first. Come on, man. Well, somehow that worked. Okay. Oh, it's not snapped down all the way. Okay. Take a picture. I don't even know. These can go in different ones, but let's try this here. Press down on that pull. God. That was easy. Press down on that pull. Voila. Okay.